from the various delegations you've heard already, the different topics that we've gone through, and we would not need to go through all of it or mention all of them, but rather two of them stand out in the discussions as far as St. Maarten is concerned. The colonial past and slavery, and most of all, filling in after the proverbial comma. As the Prime Minister said, we have to look out for what comes and how shall we continue after the comma. That has been a discussion, and we have finally come to the wording of a compromise that we can all be kind of happy about. Also, what caused some raising of eyebrows and quite some discussions as well is the topic of the Kingdom Conference. Up till now, it is, while we have signed the decision list, some members are still pondering as to how the different parliaments will fit into participation of a Kingdom Conference. So the wording thereof also was kind of very technical and treading on careful grounds, as the Kingdom Conference is normally a business between the governments and Parliament. Usually, not usually, Parliament's primary job is to play a supervisory role, and therefore it was kind of challenging to see the participation of parliaments at a Kingdom Conference.